Would you like to earn real Bitcoins just by having your PC, laptop, or server turned on, and even more by inviting your friends? Social Miners is your answer. With our unique referral system, there is no limit to how much you can make. All of this is possible by simply running our software on your devices, wherever you are. Simply download, log in, and run the Social Miners app to link your devices. Social Miners will never ask for any kind of deposit or personal info. We aim to create the largest mining community in the world to solve bigger blocks with greater power and enable everyone to earn more. Here's how it works. There are more than 5 billion PCs, laptops, and servers connected to the internet, and more than 600 million new ones are sold each year. That's an enormous amount of unused power, worth billions of dollars. The average person uses only 15% of their computer's power, which means 85% of the time their processor is idle. Social Miners helps you mine cryptocurrency with that unused computing power. Not only is it efficient, but it's a greener way to mine as well. There are several different types and models of GPU and CPUs, and different models are more profitable with different coins. These coins make changes according to market prices and mining difficulty. Our system can mine more than 25 coins and can switch between them to mine whichever is more profitable for your hardware combination. Then we convert all funds to Bitcoin and distribute them to you. In addition, the more people you refer to the platform, the more you earn. To learn more about the exciting possibilities of our unique referral system, check out our referral system explainer video. Download Social Miners and invite your friends to get started today. How does Social Miners' referral system work and what makes it unique? Let's take a look. First, Social Miners' referral system has 12 levels, something no other referral system has. Let's say you refer just 3 friends, and each of those friends refer only 3 friends, and so on. With 12 levels of referrals, you get the benefit of over 500,000 people in the pool, just from your original 3 friends. But to show you the power of numbers, if you simply change that to 4 per level, your pool jumps to over 16 million people. Wow! So that's how the pool's formed, but how much do you make? Using Social Miners, a good laptop or PC could mine $400 to $500 per month. But for this example, we'll simply assume that everyone mines only $40 per month. Use the example of 4 referrals in each level, generating $40 per month, and your annual income would be over $300,000. Not enough? Let's say you refer 20 friends, but each of the other levels only refer 4 friends. Just by increasing your referrals, you'll now make over $1.5 million per year. That's the power of referrals with Social Miners. Your referrals share in the success too. But don't worry, their referral fees are paid out of the company's cut, not yours. And as an added benefit to them, once you hit the level of $20,000 referral bonus per month, your first level referrals also get 10% of your referral bonus income. Download Social Miners and invite your friends to get started today.